Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to show you how I make sweet chili chicken and vegetable stir fry. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all we take a bowl, and to that then we're going to add 225 grams or 8 ounces of sliced chicken breast pieces. Then on top of that we're going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Now we get our hands in there, we mix that all up, and we're going to wash our hands, pop a lid on, set it to the side and let it marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, but overnight if you can. And now we're over to our cooker. So we place a wok or a deep frying pan on a medium-high heat and we spray with some low-calorie cooking spray. Now we're going to add the marinated chicken and we'll just cook that for 4 to 5 minutes until the chicken is sealed through. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications. It does mean that I can make further videos for you. So now that our chicken's cooked through, we're just going to remove it from the wok, set it to the side for later on. Now we're going to spray some more low calorie oil into the wok, and to that we're going to add 4 thinly sliced spring onions, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, and then we're going to stir that for about 20 seconds. Now to that we're going to add 2 small sliced carrots, and we're going to cook those for about 2 minutes. Now to that then we're going to add 1 large sliced onion, 175 grams or 6 ounces of baby corn that has been sliced lengthwise, and 100 grams or 4 ounces of sugar snap peas. Now we're going to stir fry those for another 2 minutes. Now we're going to add 2 red peppers that have been deseeded and sliced. We're going to cook those just for a couple of minutes until they start to take on the flavour and the vegetables are cooked but still al dente. Now if the mixture looks too dry here, you can just add a tablespoonful of water. That will just help steam the vegetables off. Now we stir in 2 tablespoonfuls of sweet chili sauce. We return the chicken to the pan, coat it in the sauce and just cook it until the chicken's warmed up again. And now it's time to serve. So I just served my stir fry on top of a bed of egg noodles, but you can use rice or chips if you wish. Now folks, again, if you've enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I hope to see you in my further videos.